Hi, welcome along to Kenshikai Karate. My name is Sensei Dmitriy.
Hi, I'm Sensei Shibon.
Hi, I'm Sensei Dave.
Hi, I'm Sensei Victor.
The technique is called a hammer fist, Tetsui Uchi or Kensui Uchi in some styles. This is because it uses the same process as a hammer striking a nail or other target. The base of the fist simulates the striking surface of the head of the hammer. The same part of the hand, the outside edge, is used as for shuto techniques. With shuto techniques, the fingers are moved out of the way to prevent damage. With a hammer fist, the fingers are curled round as part of making the fist. This provides protection for the fingers and makes the flesh around the outside edge more compact. It also provides greater shock absorption on impact with the target, rather like a hand mitt provides for a punch. In a self-defense situation, open-handed techniques and hammer fists are less likely to be damaging to the hand than a punch when striking the head. Hammer fists used in katas. Right hand is brought up to completed head level block position with right knee brought up level with the right hip. 180-degree turn begins and left arm assists with the rotation of the body. Right hand is closed into a fist by the time the turn of the body is completed. The right fist is brought behind the head on the left side and continues around behind the head. The right forearm is then thrust forward to execute the hammer fist, with left fist being pulled to left hip and right foot being thrust down into Sensei stance. Move 15 in the kata is a similar process as for move 13, with the left fist executing the hammer fist. The right arm assists with a 180-degree turn, and the right hand is closed into a fist as it is pulled back to the right hip.
Okay, so from here, move number 21 in the kata, we step the right leg forward, do a strike, so hammer fist, sideways, across into the other person's body. Then, we do a shuffle forward, front foot, back foot, then extending out into a punch. Stepping through, hands straight from here, left hand closes, strike up.
At the start of the move, the head is turned 45 degrees to the right to provide awareness. The left arm is moved in line with the head and the right fist is brought up to execute a hammer fist into the left open palm with a ki, whilst the right foot is brought up behind the left knee. The head is turned square to the front. The back of the left open hand is brought under the right elbow before being brought out into tate shutiyuki, whilst the right fist is pulled to the hip and the right foot steps down into kibidachi. Whilst the base of the fist is used to execute a hammer fist, not all use of the base of the fist are hammer fists in the katas. For example, move number 8 in Basadai kata, the left fist drops from the inside block position onto the right fist that is palm side up on the hip. This is the Koshikamai position, seen in other moves in the kata. This is not a hammer fist, as no force was used to execute the technique, and the fist is not aiming to strike a target, merely being placed to prepare for the next move. The technique in these situations can be where the top hand is used to block a middle-level attack across and down. The hand at the hip is then used to grab the limb that is being diverted. Whilst the hammer fist technique is not allowed in sparring, it can be used in self-defense. All techniques that enable the base of the fist to be thrust towards an opponent or to intercept an attack can be used as a hammer fist. So when exploring kata applications, blocks such as downward block, outside block, and head level block can actually be used as strikes.